Dear friends, good morning. In this video, I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme growing with every phase of life. Life unfolds in phases, each carrying its own lessons, challenges, and blessings. Every phase of your life teaches you how to grow, how to heal, and how to deal with it. Childhood teaches you to wonder. The art of seeing the world with fresh eyes, where every discovery feels like magic. Adolescence brings turbulence and self discovery, urging you to question, to dream, and to stumble as you learn who you are. Adulthood demands responsibility, resilience, and the courage to balance ambition with compassion. Even in later years, life continues to offer wisdom, reminding you that growth is not confined to youth, but is the lifelong rhythm of becoming. To grow with every phase of life is to recognize that change is not an interruption, but the very essence of living. Each stage, whether joyful or painful, is a teacher. Failures sharpen humility. Success cultivates gratitude and losses deepen our capacity for love. Growth is not about perfection but about transformation that allows each experience to shape you into someone wiser, kinder, and more authentic. Besides, this perspective frees you from regret. Instead of wishing away the past or fearing the future, you learn to embrace the present phase as necessary for your unfolding. A storm may feel overwhelming, but it waters the soil for tomorrow's blossoms. A moment of stillness may seem uneventful, yet it prepares you for the next leap. Growth is hidden in both the struggle and the silence. Ultimately, growing with every phase of life means living with openness. It is the courage to accept that you are unfinished, the humility to learn from every season, and the faith to believe that each chapter, whether bright or shadowed, adds depth to the story of who you are. In this way, life becomes not a race to a destination, but a journey of continual becoming. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.